Hello. Welcome to Relevant JavaScript Tutorials. In this tutorial we will discuss about data types in JavaScript. For now we will discuss about basic and most used data types that are array, number, string, Boolean, null and undefined. Before proceeding in more depth, let's know about what is data type. Data type is the type of data that can be stored for the program. It specifies what kind of data can be stored and manipulated in the variables. You can better understand the variable data types with the toolbox example. As you know, variable is a container for holding value. In same manners, a toolbox is also container for holding different types of tools, like hammer, screwdrivers, tape measure, wrenches, etc. And each tool has its own special feature and different tools occupies different space in toolbox. In same terms, a variable can hold different type of values, and each type has its own special feature and can take different memory space. For storing and accessing different types of data in JavaScript, different type of data types are created. We will start with array data type. You should know about what is array. An array is a collection of items. For understanding array data type, listen carefully to the given example. Suppose there is a collection of 5 screwdrivers in the toolbox. This collection of screwdrivers represent an array. For storing collection of items or list of items, array data type is used. Some examples of arrays are list of car names, collection of products, categories, list of student roll numbers, list of book name, etc. The next data type is number. Number data type is used for storing numeric values. Let's understand this data type by this example. If 5 screwdrivers is present in the toolbox, then we can say that count of screwdrivers is 5. And for storing this count, number data type is used. Numeric values can be negative like -10, -20, etc. Here are some examples of number data type. The next data type is string. String means textual content, and for storing textual content, string data type is used. For understanding this, suppose any of the screwdriver's name is Stanley Screwdriver and have some feature description written on it. Now the screwdriver's name or description is textual content, and for storing this textual content the string data type is used. String values must be enclosed in single or double quotation marks, like here message variable's value is enclosed like this. Here are some examples of string data type. Name, Stanley, message. This is new tutorial. Percentage, 100% and book name, flower of like. All these values are textual content, as they are enclosed within quotation marks. This is the most important point because sometimes it create confusion between number and string data type. For example, here variable A's value is 10 and variable B's value is also 10. But the difference is variable A's data type is number and variable B's data type is string because 10 is enclosed within quotation marks. Hope you understood the difference. You can check data type of any variable by typing the name of variable after typeof keyword. This typeof keyword is known as typeof operator. You can take a short break and practice this on console screen before proceeding further. If you want to continue, then it's okay. The next data type is Boolean. Now instead of getting too much technical, we will talk about Boolean data type with given examples. If anyone asks you, do you have wrench in the toolbox? If you have wrench, then you will say yes, otherwise no. If anyone asks you, do you have sandpaper in the toolbox? If you don't have sandpaper, then you will say no, otherwise yes. For holding these true or false status of anything, Boolean data type is used. Boolean data type can have only two values, true or false. Here are some examples of Boolean data type. The next data type is null. Null means empty or nothing. For example, if the toolbox is empty, then emptiness of toolbox indicates null value. The null data type has exactly one value, that is null. The next data type is undefined. If you don't know toolbox is empty or not, then you will say, means status of toolbox is unknown or undefined, so it represents the undefined data type. The undefined data type also has only one value, that is undefined. Beginners are always confused between null data type and undefined data type. Null means it is empty and you actually know that it has no value inside it, and undefined means it is unknown or lack of value. You don't know about value is present or not present, or if the value is unknown. Whenever a variable is declared, the undefined value is assigned to it. For example, if we declare a count variable, then by default the value of count variable is undefined. Thanks for watching this video. To summarize, we have discussed about basic data types, and in upcoming tutorials, we will discuss about remaining data types: object, function, big int and symbol.
Take a quiz about this tutorial in Histoine app. Download it from Google Play Store, then create your account or log in with Google account. Then open the quiz page and enter the quiz code JST71625.